ama Apia Stadium. Omanhene se nipa o kasa hwe baabi a wugina. Hwe baabi a wufiri a wokɔ. O kasa aswan. Party no na asoma wo anase e di asem na wo ka. Na asem no kura wo ka no. Wo fact and figures, wo evidence kura wo mu no eno saying. Sa asem we baye no a trendy sa mo bia e ka ho asem. Nipa baabi a ya ye se wuduru no. Omanhene ya na e dren se obetimi akotete wo ho kakran. Wo ntimi. Last night we can say there is nothing like second chance be the man. Adebia wo ye bia no.
First impression.
Yes. You're very careful.
Oh sure.
You're very careful pa. Enti Apia Stadium. Ye nim se wo kasa eduru akire but asem na wo ka no. Wo kasa se hwan na soma wo se ko kasa asem no. Wo ka na the end product no, the end resource no. Na wo pese wo achieve den. Ana de wo pese wo achieve no. Eno na wo pese wo achieve wo.
Sebia no so ehunu se because incidents in see no. Thursday ya na obi ni di nkomo. And I watch say Adea Akye no ba NDC mo wahunu say as a young one to free a certain place bia now be bo rema omuhu say etino o kasakra no a na ye no NDC enyai say I know he made it cause no enye omampani jo mama ko pedie wo NDC or what hot because of omampani jo mama nso so no Ghana de no NDC for the Nebequabato. This 2024 elections, I am not seeing party, I am seeing individual.
Sada uhuno.
Yes. Sir,
the figure.
The person that any party we elect.
Yes.
And now, Ghana for the Jinaswa Tuaba and your party. The party people will be there, fanatics.
Okay.
Hey, Uchu Mutaya, NPP ni bien wako Tuaba NDC.
Yes.
And NDC ni bien obeto abama MPP ni. But about 10 or 15% to be there hono. They are not going to look at party now because to them all the parties failed.
Okay.
So now they are going to look at the individual.
Okay.
NDC the John Mama neighbor, MPP so why no the neighbor, and can that individual change the fortunes of this nation for Ghana? Now the Bruno MPP fund the Obaka 20 Sibakoto. Usha MPP were 44% of votes in Ghana, NDC could have 40-41. But Usha about 20 since 1992, NDC teaming and try 51, 50.7, 50.4. With all their elections on my winning, with the exception of Jerry John Rawlings after 2000. NPP called 53, no about 51. J. Kufuor called 56, and about 52. So it tells you, say, about toi, MPP for in general election, or more any mucha NDC. But NDC winning elections are now MPP bad performance and more attitude. Now, the individual will count. And it's because your mom and Tina me woha. Ubetman you'll be or ye. Ofra Asante man tell about your mom and to obetwaba.
Okay.
But what you mention? So, say party and near my sas ye come. Now be free say me free hire you mu free ha. Bebre cowboy on mouse ya. Now they MPP for when Asante man tell her. Unti so mu complain say the yama mu MPP nyina asemo yi. Yes.
We have been neglected.
Yes, mami tell.
Me da say boss. Na me catch the NDC for say MPP for ya DB. Omuhunu say obi bia ya ne actions be emwa in the course of the party no. Almost sideline is our person no. Ama the results of the ma womo. NDC ombetimi ayesa ade no say baabi a womo keka kono. Se obi say ebia ni su ene ne ban bi emwa the direction of the party no towards 2024 no. Me Omanhene, I see nothing wrong with any panel. But you know, saying,
oh, then this is the Omanhene pen.
Yes, and today no
2006,
yes,
2007,
yes.
Yao better Samoa. Francis SCM. Chiche Pokunomoni ade. They sideline them all.
And to when so baby or more do see and also a very critical pointer.
Even now, 2020, Ubekaya. I said Dunketia, the General Secretary.
Oh, issue order.
Oh, ye almost about 25 to 40 parliamentary candidates are no mere former members of parliament. Osaki Omunina. And on a John Boyd went to Mania, MPP4, independent ko we as omulusu omusi.
Yes.
Johnson has said in Katia did it. So they have done it before and they can do it.
Me kai kura say no dey buy say mo am person mo call independent nya dey no. Enya dey say party ne betimi a support mo ne mo.
He sacked them. Nya say bia o ka say o ya ebe ya. He sacked them. On the list ne buy. And no one any executive bi obedi o machi say o follow suit.
Yes.
And they stayed away.
Yes.
And they won elections. The MP and NDC there. They have that track record. They will sack it.
In Omanhene Adea Akye Abia, I was say key is CRPI communication. NDC, you should be very careful. I want communication for the whole no routine. And as for J, especially in the Ashanti region. I was some careful. Sani panemi no. Some penny for some jam phenomenon penny phone be said in Katianum, Chama for swamp for nom, and a 1 year cano. Director of elections no money Adea. Some bet me a fresh sani panumi no. And kanka in Ashanti region, I think it's like a part in the year. If we say, so man, you're careful. Nasa said ya some way AC at trendy. With some short weeks being I didn't AC trendy conwa. Or my never behind this for pa. But one way ya answer so no who say a brass was here sorry to me acting. Some now act here in your year. Yes, so this is the time. Almost show say ampa party no slogan and they say stability, unity and development. And the unity there, Omanhene, a key. Every political party, every organization, every institution, the word unity no a key. Say Juma no betimi akoso Omanhene program ya wu nyina wu di animu ayado. Say program no betimi successful, not me yield the results there. Just idea feel say unity. So the moment here, will be a din su and the bank kitten be wura mu no. Wo head no wo boss no. Wo na wasa wo frey say kwabra adazua boga ana akotua dabi de keka kwana muame say na wasa ye no. It is the moment and this for no betimi aye sa pe no na ama de nipa bi dwen fa party no ho say in Ashanti region no say de keka kono ente sa so ma ate de a Omanhene e o mon kasa asem wa
e wo kasa adazua mama ntio
ideology social democrats.
That's right.
And our slogan unity, stability, and development.
That's right.
Now, Manokua is here the unity by Jumano. Then you may be safe for us about
Sompa 93.1.
And penny for set, Pepe Piano, my. We see a freeway general.
Okay.
Appear stadium as someone walking. Wahunu bibi. Intina walker. Sama nyokua. Yanuma ye to understand stability, unity, and development. Na ye wo opposition. Na ye pese ye kwatuaba. Na fed ye se. Se we ya can need ya. Ye ma preposition no. Se de asema appear stadium mo kanu. Se ya no credit ya. Esem pedifo bibi fa. Oh my. Enye se be ha om. Na ha om a e be ha yen. Se wo man ni nyina. Ye kan Ghana for no. Amanyoko mienu ne timi di akonwa. Ye po, ye mpew. Se nye MPP a NDC beko. Enti samanyoko a wo mani abre so mo pese wo mo beji tumi. Na akoye se wo pese wo ko preposition na wo kakai kasade a ya twa ba de bebo na de no. De no. Ti asem na PS stadium mo ka no. Mo rabeshe. Wo hunu pipi.
And also inside.
And wo ye inside.
What your mama and send the faso.
Enti wo hu ya wanka. Ye bekom no. Wo man na no kra bi wo papi. Ye tietia bi no na so, ye ka bi no bodu ya hyefam. Sanse yesusu se ye gya no e ma ne kwa. Wo betimi ayi bibi e wa manyoko bi mu. Enti ye sere ani DC fo. Se de wo mo kasa ama Ghana fo bi anya omu gidie no. We ye de hwewom. Ye de hwewom se ye kukuro mponi o ni ye beso ana wo bi amomo se mo pa be ye ni yie no ena mo am fie due kakra yi adane se we ye akani we ye achimuni we ye asantini nadai wo mo de omu anya na.
Take a look at the current composition of the Ashanti Regional Executives. Nana Kwesi, chairman. He's Krobo Mfanti. But the name is Nana Kwesi.
That's why Krobonini Mfanti.
Alhaji Salisu, vice chairman, is a northerner. Alhaji Sani, vice chairman, northerner. Kwame Zu, secretary from the Volta. Matthew Nyonkoni, deputy secretary, northerner. Isham Alasa, 50-50. Bashiru, deputy organizer, Northna. Osman Abali, youth organizer, Northna. Onassis Kobe, deputy youth organizer, Central Region. Gloria Huze, woman organizer, Northna. Mary Awusi, deputy woman organizer. Ever 50, Asante 50. Ever 50-50. Francisca Adea Akye Francisca Adea Akye deputy woman organizer, Asante. Hosting Keku, treasurer ever. Prince Atta, deputy treasurer ever. Seth Atanga, deputy youth organizer, Northna. Abbas Nuruddin, communication officer ever. Abbas ever. Asafo J, Asante. So apart from the deputy communication, which is Asante, and then deputy women organizer who's Asante, all the rest does not hear from
here. No, and the regions in Ache.
Very good.
And you know, the appear stadium can the Omai, me who from so pier wahun pipi, San Cabo Muno, a ye penny de Acocuno, say, I'm the best start there, Yansanka.
And it's a serious caution because Samijan Fee says Ashanti region is a priority for the NDC come 2020.
Yes. Na fe anu obi ko pebia machi aga hu amode ba ne so no mo pesa mo kire wa mo sesai ahanu amunya dodo a na mo ba ba mu na hafo no eno na wo kan na bi adwa no ye koye dwuma de a yemfa mo nkoye be ru position de a yemfa mo kogu pepi no eno na me amada so no ya me ye se ya na me turo fire no eno na me dwa no asafo je betra no wo kasa ende mo hyehyɛ dem anu mani age aprantie nim kasa waka kasa wo fat no akopre bibi no mo se wo santinity mo twe aba no mo pesa mo kire sen wano de opre bi enye eti de wo mo ka no wo mo hyehyem se no kura bi wo mo a wo mo nye fast no mo toto wo mo niema wo ye wangrani wo ye kusase wo ye kanjaga mi watachi men mi butu classic FM abronsane so a ye ne ahemfie ne opposite obeti gongrongo di asam yes kanjaga he ye ne be kire ma he gongrongo pusiga no mu nyino ma frafra mu no mo tewo saa ne ye deti kumase.
That's right.
Kumase brono awodo edoso eyesremfo brono hwan lie saa ne ne mu nyina atra na aye fe yeti wodom any nkabo mu ti yesre wo mu miem na wo bia osusu se wo betimi ayede aboa party no
e fata nipa no afama na ke kasa ofri ha
ofrienti
eno de ya na emwa wo yaw brem
ni ma chiro ne doso kasa
because the man me ya bit alarm is Bobi Ansa ofri Asante Mampo ena watro ewo ni page o enye se bia watro bibi SNA ni Facebook wall what did I make on ni Facebook wall o ena ode koto ho nana kwabra Bobi Ansa ni Facebook wall and this is what he wrote quickly Monsa Fantoso also you want Ashantis to vote for the NDC but you don't want them to become NDC card-bearing members. I mean, how? An Ashanti will go to a branch to get registered as an NDC member, and they will turn the person away. Mobile registration, you know. Bobi Ansa seeing information, that was what was happening. Then you hear same NDC people bashing Ashantis for not accepting the NDC because of tribal politics. So what do we do now? Sometimes some of us get sad about how you people treat Ashantis when our back is at the wall, but refuse to talk about how others ill-use us. They don't talk about how good Ashantis can be, but only talk about our negatives. It took the intervention of a national deputy organizer, Kobe Ballon. Wabodio. So on the team call ye, eko chucha sa niema no so. Hwe, me fear ni. MP before betra how. Kobe champion, I don't know. Yeah, on here. Only
you can't say Kokwasi Crescini.
I only said John issue no.
Hey, the originator of Kokwasi Crescini, Brian, you to me to me.
Wow, maybe worrying is say NPP for the Traha almost so my popularity NDC 4 figures are more Ashanti region. They are legends say when they also heard said this was what is happening, no, people who are non-accounts, how many people before mom could register.
Ayo.
But all to them, they are alleging it could be bluffing. It could also be true. It's one of your officer in Shasu or NDC for 18,000. They move 7,000, 8,000.
And now, Brian, I make us ask them, says, ask them NDC for the boy and what's of me. Oh, Ukwash Tower. What people are pursuing your card, nipping at the P. Bibi ba onu sweat media ko so ntia ndi omu we afebe wi ase e beto aba wam say I stand ko nipa 7,000
nipa 7,000 adena ye koto aba na nya sa nipa
o pe card na to
na ora fi pa ko senior
ndi omu we pa
ya wo ka yi obra nipa 600,000 obi akuta card green bi.
That's right.
Let the whole world know how the party can say
PPP
awake.
Let the whole world know.
And awake.
PPP 650,000.
Awake, yeah, sorry.
And a month for page of omo flag. Omo card. And you say you card.
Ekulano.
The two abanam say 150 kula.
When you
100 grams.
Awake, yeah, sorry. Na electric shock.
What would you? Gotta need the why you careful. Yeah, mommy too.
Nkoma ye die yae. Me de me share ayi baby baako. Ashanti region region from 2016 and I said from 2012 eba NDC votes increases omo appreciate sa omo kosoro sa
2016 taper.
Yes, but omo kosoro omo movie from 2012 2016 2020 omo
2016 they dropped. They dropped heavily from 610 to 430 something.
From
610 2012 to 430 when they said agenda 1 million.
1 million. But na omo a vote bia na yedeya a NDC like around 300,000, around 350,000.
NDC was using 400 and something. Professor Mills had 400 and something to win. No munya bi krada.
Yes.
And President Mahama jumped it from 400 to 600.
To 600. Then the moment we need 2012 election. And a 2016
they dropped to
400
yes.
And at 2020 almost appreciate
they went to 658.
Yes. Na baby a meme de me hwe say so the MPP ni NDC ejina ho na o hwe omo modembo based on omo stronghold omo nyina omo stronghold eye me nwanwa say ebeba say NDC for Asantini bi unity wa Ashanti wa Ashanti region say okwa kope position and say okwa kope card or party no bia omo pampam no bi say okwa northern region NPP vote so appreciate pa northern region appreciate pa
because of Baumia's presence
say o the Savannah region no say na northern region ebom and ye beti mo be Savannah northeast and your friends and northern region so be gina but na ukani nyina bomwa in 2016 John Mahama enya 389,000 and in the Queens me ensani nyina John Mahama nya 389,000 mampeni na nadu dan kwaku for nya 286,000.
It was even close.
Yes,
about 100,000 difference.
Yes. And omudi gina honom ene ya yeti team no ye team miensa no de yekoye ye ni Savannah region Jomama nya 144,000 and ananado nya 80,000. Savannah region ye John Mama ni kurom ne Beth region.
That's right.
Eno no onya yes onya 444,000 nanado nya 80,000 ne Queens.
Can you
144,000.
You mentioned 400.
144,000 and another 80,000. Oko northeast ya Baumia susu kromwa Baumia Beth regional John Mahama enya 112,000 and another enya 122,000. 2020 elections. Northern region noted say NDC stronghold. Oko northern region proper noa NDC enya 449,000 in 2020 and MPP nya 391,000. Ebi gugu so ebi gugu back me hwe no.
So it tells you said the northern enclave na ye chemu miensa no. Usha and the MPP's appreciation was marvelous.
Yes,
extreme
as compared to Abia over
2016.
Yes, over 2016. Na just say NPP grow pa e wo northern region honum.
And NDC grow.
And NDC so grow Ashanti region. As compared to omu voter, omunya ne 2016, na de beke kan omunya ne 2020 yeah. Because NDC nya 600,000 votes biya elections biya no winning.
Say no na ma we can is a free anchor here in the first press conference say omo I winning elections because omo fi say Ghana high to skirt and blouse. Yeah. And you know na omo winning certain places. MP. They thought they would win the presidential. But it was also unique in the sense that 19 skirt and blouse was next year. Now the Danko Kufuor won. NDC won. Yes. John Mama didn't win.
The regional abribia NDC enya 600,000, even 550,000 ekwa omutimidi ko wini general elections no. Na say obabeye your friend say mo mobilization, mo babeye mo registration ni adia. Na say mo say obi unity no ababe J party card, obi unity no ababe contest for a position or region ni mo a mo say ni dinti say oya santi no oya kan ni nti no na mo pam no a na me nim ba bi a party no mo gina no mo a bia na sa eye ade we omo ntra se enhwe say omo stronghold in northern region no NPP appreciate wo ho Ashanti region
they are turning the World Bank into a commercial bank.
Enti Adea na wasamo so moye. Adea wasamo ye ne say Ashanti region mamo 600,000 etimi mamo koko wini vote wa. Se mutimi bomodin na munya sa nipa 600,000 no in mu register no a moye wa Ashanti region automatically mo nante sa nkrofo 600,000 ne so. Se bia o munyina no ebeto ede amamu a. Akunta
you are gone.
You've won the elections. It means tiase ni ntia. And akunta elections aye kono. Ene se ne Ghana yesi ye niema fa no. Ye de ope umpo ewum osebi krom ni.
Yeah.
Masoriba.
Ofriha.
Me classmate.
Me in the way
school. Sa niema ne county pa.
Me ware ni fie.
Sa niema ne county pa.
Can't throw it away.
Dabi. Adea no mpe. But esan say oni ni free kro baako. Oni ni free region baako. Oni ne kwa soro ye na sori ba. Anase bia o ne classmate no obon se na owo soft spot owo ase eyi bi kakra edema oyane because o ne classmate oye obi oni ni nyini bom obi oni ne tena area obi oni ni free crew baako ye ko elections 2024 NDC be campaign e wa Ashanti region akonta na NDC wo chairman be friend chairman bimpe yes yes oye born and bred akani a ofri Asante it is yes it is a chairman bimpe babonten na say o kasa at least when yakra no onim say the chrome for krapa for 80 no onim say the chrome for a justo constituency no at least say otina nisi constituency ho no mo a at least obenya bibi e di ama party no ayi yam papa ya 2020 elections no obey John Mama papa Daniel Ohene Jakum say omo kasa eye dey ya won say like the chrome ni na ekasa no masore ba na ekasa no me classmate e na ekasa no even Joseph Yamin onye umfri Asante
but he's born and bred here
ye wonu Asante
when he was a general secretary he made a lot of impact on classmates
kwada so a great college no me ade Joseph Yamin say I say gradually oya kania nesa na okasa e wa Ashanti regional on Beka say 2016 elections we say 2012 elections ebi to have ebi kura ntu bi ni ade Obeka no
and he really put fear into them because he told them he's a barracks boy he knows Kumasi
yes so eti ye kwa elections o my Ghana ye niema ye de abusua ye de adamfo ye de asore ba ye de my wari fie ha and me kromuni and ye de atete ya ba bedru ne na se obi efi Ashanti region obi eya Asantini na se eti na why na ombema na ba begina Ashanti region say omekasa na bia ento
say no ne ade a wanye careful a ube used to tribalism say ebia Ashanti region uhwemu a ebia the Evers here, the Northerners here, Omoto Omabama and NDC, you know, Yakotoaba, they can use their numbers to get them to vote for them here. But who we are? So maybe we have no money per me to aba. Na ebia nipa na one me bedin komo no kra no. Baby a free kra no. Impempi e kasa wo. Just as you're saying.
Yes.
Because
the background.
Sir, akosia jewa enemy din komo na ofri ha. Onim obubon kro no the way o si kasa.
Yes.
I resonate with her more than Obia. Obia obeka brofo akire me.
Dabi.
Ana ne chi no kra ho ntie.
E ho ntie na wo me dem afiu. Wo na wo be kire me. Wo na wo be kire me ne
The reason MPP is making that inroads is because of Baumia's presence in the north.
That's it. Omo yusu omo ba their son and omo di making inroads.
Shabuno and Hafo.
Yes.
Their presence, MPP won this election not because of Kufuor over performance, because of a certain Samira.
Yeah.
Samira resonates with the settlers.
I
Fulani and Hafo. And now you can Enra Koshe Bono
Ofotechiman. Yeah.
Okopie Honomo. The whole town.
Yeah.
Enra. The woman, the second lady was at Bono and Hafo.
Yeah.
Sa area hono ni krom for doso
Infra ni fu edi
na nipa kogu hono enti sa wan hwe ya obefi se enkoye no edu elections so a oka chom so om temfanse ba om ya na ye running mate ye candidate no osimi na me ye flag bearer Ufi se no krom for beto
na kotade we kura John Mahama AAB in 2012 o de ne yire Lordina Mahama ko bono
oh yes
that time na ye bono
and in Kranza nyina ne brahafuna and sorry some voter
Lordina Mahama ne that time e kai
for AAB yes or the Madam Teresa ofri bono
yes
oni JH Mensa
ko to bono
hafu Ufi se ye wa hanu mi se 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 me na me ye yi a na se me yire obi ti secretary Japan yiri free voter region. Ufi says Kennedy win this seat na. Voter for Kennedy appreciative votes. Voter region so for wants to have a first lady.
So ba kai 2012 no. 2012 no na okobuno a omo se yakonta ne dwomama. Yakonta yekoto aba ma yakonta.
So obeka kra tama sa ayi.
Yes.
Sa financial institutions on ketenkete ho asem ba ya.
Omo de share.
Yes, omo de share no.
Yakonta
Just na moto
Ghana no sa na ye de tete.
Ghana for bo modern ade share me ma me lo bi na so woni mo se.
Political idea de be say.
E be tira so official.
Adema ye beka dia to so anya no kre no. Eya se keto even president ayato abama no say oye na appointment ya regional balance or say appointment mu ministers obey deputy ministers obey na no ye MPP koto o maba e wo Greater Accra o mukoyi o national executive won omuwie ye no won appointment bi o ma ye
yes
amanfo question ye nti o makwa appoint Richard Ahiagba as their communication director. It is because Omanya voter region ewo national executive. Eti se kwa ya appointment ya regions ayentini Antwa Benyi omonkrofo no. O se ma appointment ni bi ko ho. Na se kobasi ye region mu ono na de anim de yakwa rasa region mu. Na se mo kwa akoto aba na se mo kwa akoto na mo. Na se obi ono na efri ni pem abase kowe
o guys at the point in time na NDC from voter no mo complain pa
yes
Victor Gbehomunum ni ade they were complaining say they've been neglected because o share party hierarchy ni ma na who voter Ontarians no ni ade the Ashanti region say CIA ya ma men kan kwenchiro I'm sure you are running mate sem any presidency could be the Ashanti region for the flag bearers.
Oh yes,
because
national executive.
You're not going to have a general secretary and a national organizer and have first and second vice no more free her. Now I swear president no I say free her.
Nakota national chairman 70 mu kurano ne fe free Ashanti region.
Yes, Asma me county.
Ne papa free suta kwa ma be
Alan ye casualty kese.
Yes. because
Alan, I'm telling you.
Yebeka say Ashanti region ni na ye national chairman for MPP. Ashanti region ni na general secretary of MPP. Ashanti region ni na ye national organizer.
Yes, I'm for president, mama.
It is all your appointment on my year deputies near the Adenwa. You are say yes. At the back other regions no delegates no and you be amfenfro na masakoba se bia national party ne rasa region mu a ye benya sa nipa no amana di anim e dia kwa region
Asante achim this year
and
so be baka ho
yes
why if Asante mantem
o say Jennifer Queen mu nyina
free Asante mantem o free atwema
yes
etuja Asante region is now almost having about 6 key members are national executives. And my presidency, Mimi who say a big casualty, Malan.
Going forward, NDC in Sarah
because now Northness and North Swore. MPP executives. The one share.
Okay, so more Aziz Haruna Futa as Omonasara and Nasara coordinator.
Youth organizer
and almost second NPP second vice and also so every is it say Savannah region ho baby and I say Upper East almost second vice no
Ashanti dominates.
Yes, but Ashanti dominates. It going forward
and even UFP treasure.
National treasure.
Dr.
China. Akwetono de na Ashanti region ofri na questionable kakra.
O de fan say
almost say ofri u kompa ofri central region.
But no de ono ha Ashanti.
Oh, Dr. China.
Ya fe no
also ofri agrek ngoma ase no. Ono no de no say questions kakra.
Mami kwa akosia. Mami tell so kakra. I love the analysis today. I want to believe say we are passionate and dispassionate about this. We are not doing tribal. And I want to believe say you are also enjoying it.
Tribal cry is not the best in life.
No, we don't do it. Mami too. Akosia Mami too.
Sompa 93.1.
My young share 2020 elections a course of my Ghana. Now, young share NDC, and the Padodo Mudu Mujina, Ashanti region. Efa NDC Amanyaku Northam. Woko Bantaman North and South. My Yeramati Opoku Prempe, agent for Menshia South, MPP Amanyaku.
Enomde Abubakar. Menshia North, Menshia South. Enomde Abubakar Sulemana ebegina for NDC woma yenhwe Menshia South na yewura Opoku Prempe ejina for what they say MPP ni yenhwe Abubakar Sulemana for NDC woma wo de wa compare wa ni yenhwe Menshia North nso ni akwasi kunadu ekwo for MPP ene yehwe Hamza Swala nso call for NDC. Enti wo compare remienu a possibility say eyire MPP bedi nkunim no wo man ye high. Ye wade bi wo no mu a NDC mo beye munim se bia mo ye de aboa ama ye nuanom nodness wo mo so atumi adi nkunim but ye wo baabi wo no mu a wo man wo carry weight nu a enye de emfa enti anu sa no wo hwe nipa no a wo de na kɔ no a na wo do ofoforo asinkan na ni nyina na timi akwa eye senke na nkeja yewu akwasi kunadu yenya wo bi nso a wono so betimi akwasi kunadu atimi asi akan wo se Menshia North wono mo no a mejiri ye senke betimi akwa dia NDC se wono mo tena se na wono mo hyehye wo mo no mayi a ebeboa wo mo na tribalism bebrebe ne de wo man edoso
me kai omampani your mama time na o appointed Bedzidi. Say Upper West regional minister. Almost so free.
You.
Tell me,
some no.
Office Slim, but almost so free Upper West.
So I'm doing big and have a pressure.
And him pan the betiment say, Kwabra, ya wahai. Say a couple.
I'm the Moses here.
Kwabra Kesi. Say una okwa koye bungurugu yoyo DC.
Why?
Yento mambo.
Any I don't na big smaller. Say didn't fan a
You
big.
not.
Because David nam to some
It won't happen.
But I didn't do my name more.
Ha dwene wo ma ye ha dwene.
Your sako to ko srem kwa man boys SP. So what you money e be pressure and carry. You dress ante region so na kan ni ko pribi so.
Musibue.
Media me crow.
Yo.
You
also Adea. I was say Timmy Kenny Sadia no. Me kai brebi. O ma penjo mama ya debi. O de Sapon call Central Region.
somewhere.
Somewhere Sapon. On the call Central Region. He wanted to cure that mischief. And on the Eric Opoku. Or free bro or Ayahafuni or the Bash Central Region. And no koye bi o baby.
Emfa.
Oh, so yana me pese because and now obi to me target a certain tribe so we are tribalistic. Me what they do worse.
Chiwe de yemi no ye beto ma.
Ghana ha no mo pa obi to me say we are bununi. Near the work of Volta region say we na akọ DC.
Obi dia me ahwe.
Who know why? But see the same nipa no ba bunu ho no ma.
O beto ma.
On beka say or you set la ha na tete ne wo no obi ankasa. We should cure that mischief. Nipa ne betima aye adwuma na mo fama no. Se Nuruddin na mo fi so betima aye adwuma na mo to ano so. Se Kokosa for J qualify mo fama no. Zuba ba be pre regional secretary. Se ono na wo se mo de manu a mo fama no. Kwame Zu every free oye Voltarian. But what trust antimantem onim the terrain. Ono na meto ano so a. But don't go and sit there. Where do you free a crop even within party? Or you chrome ninty, Mummy and Indian, you are free. Now you are free movie, the hour catch on so Mumra Buana Mumini vote to Ashanti River. It won't work.
My own say district be quite lucky development due to Selman Penny a Kufu Bo Bidino. A hope for sama. We cried the Yana Hakura. Oh, so sad, you know, Yadia. Yes, Yadia say had dream. Me, my cousin. Communication be a key. So, and most especially, so, general election power. Omanhene say communication field no. Se wan hwe niema ye ne wan ka niema amumu because hono ana the free party ni mu bia yes
ma ko se anunsi akosia mo anunsi ba me
wo man me de manu asimpo a ne sa lawyer ba dia ni eja ma lawyer
ma me ne ifo do chen komo kakra grace gift wo mo ba ne say ana ne fire no mo ka jagom na ye ko yanim na bibia de dana kwan so ena de menya full squad wo fi ha Gabi wa ha no mo Zubi Kete ena of accordion so Montrase mame na of aso beba na ya ka ensem no agum na ye ko yanima enesa na bibia de dade da lawyer so atrase lawyer I want to say
I'm not Omanhene.
Nkoma ye dey it's quite interesting and
very interesting
and it's deep
very deep na Omanhene Nkomo we there nka no mu wi a ye beba ho bi
so interesting ye ready nkomo no na nkomo ba ko so e be deep so na na do se Ghana fo nya abotre o tise nkofo ka se kan for attack he can take us out of this trouble and to say for paper kota na it is sealed signed and sealed na our penny kasa wo awutu senya the kasa no people take it with mixed feelings. Please can I have the video of Nanado Nanado's statement
Here, in honor of the late Haruna Iseko who comes from here, I've instructed the Minister for Roads and Highways to commence work on the construction of the Akuti Junction to Senya Breku Road. As you know, one of your very own, the Director of Communications at the Presidency, Mr. Eugene Ahin, has done a very good job in lobbying persistently for this road to be constructed, just as he did for the Bodrasik Kaswa Road. And I assure you that it will be completed before 2024. It is public knowledge that he has intentions of contesting on the ticket of the MPP in 2024. If he is successful in the MPP parliamentary primaries, and I'm confident that he will do an excellent job as Member of Parliament for you. And I appeal to all of you to support him if and when that time comes. You have seen for yourself what he's doing for Awutu Senya West. Indeed, as it is evident, as all of you can see, that when the MPP is in power, Awutu Senya West develops. In honor of the late Harun.
We'll look at this statement also. Some people say that it comes with mixed feelings because the party has made a categorical statement, say nobody should endorse anybody. But this is endorsement in disguise. The director of communication for the president, and then Oshep Nechipe and a former MP Nijina, deputy minister of communication. Ninchempe and a MP no so. No NDC or go to and down no sujina. It was all prayer no se masa here too. Abana obaro pa maybe. But they want to say young men also. Almost to kase Eugene Eyusu or no so ne office. A director of communication, a special aid to the president. Abwa omo. And you know, say obi mama empuntu so there. And you kind of say.
Yay! Oyan compound drum. Usio gugu say na ha ha from. Enya sem kuma. Also dey me hu a na ha blast.
Na ha blast.
Ai hai.
Bia boa.
Enya sem kuma duro bia nka dem.
Duro bia ka dem.
Okọ aso de ben.
We call Revival Life Outreach Church, New Life Sanctuary, Airport Branch.
Mean to make a cambo. Now, so many minimum say, if you have SD for into your house, the medium intimate for being fato. SD for say, on basis one who born to pine, and if mine said the encouragement to Pentecost.
About to pine boy.
That's what I'm telling you. Pentecost for a shall see a ball, kumba, not Basra for crowd to him. So enti a baby be drum pa dear. As ye can be drum jina e na so pa dear. Grace give it her back renity. We when ye. It's answer ye tete quantum pon no na nananum desire dear. Say ye so wa ye be so hwenim. Say ye wo sa wa e be wo sa wo. Say wo se ye kwanam wa ebe kwanam na no itua we betua na no nkana memu me kan kwanam owura no a otepunu tibu sanse ede ne kwanam na so so ahuno be man kwanam oba ne kwanam ndisi e kase ma ne kwanam a da soramete enti
Ede udi bone a
ni nyina na ye nananom nyansa kwan a ye de ye nkwada na duru
ene akaka duro no
ya nim na kwaye
no obi ti wona na say na ye hum
so hu
I say na kwose seconds
we yadom ababe wo hwe a ya kwanam na che
economity
that's what I'm enti ye ka say dear Dr. Glacy o say krum ha o che ha pa me ka say wo hwim sukun kwantana enya sem kuma
ya motinka na manfo adwa
say dear waba ya me ka say suku Johnson obekwa akoto no enti je normal anopa yi osuo gugu
Gabi anu ya no use me
that's what I'm telling wa bene say ja no te ho Selo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
Selo
00
tele selo
30
Selo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
Selo
00
tele selo
30
Anna Selo 242
0242
72
52
52 74
74
0242
0242
72
72
52
52
74
74.
me enkomra
That means you.
Dada, good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Yeah, you watch a pa. Yes. I better was since you say Odi and I'm from na and they be suya dibi. Kakra. Openi so one say obu o wa kwaje aduru bia no. Kwaje aduru no mo ye no. Ebi akobo so fobio. Kwaje aduru bi e de ye niam bi. But na bi akire no na se mfie bi akire no. Na akoda na bi fufuro de ayden. E de ama no. Ida say yade bi ade no ko wu. Very good. Saudi and me pesi be kakra. On say first na obu what me call busum for say me kwa kwaja won in drum. I'm one in drum. Na uni ma dey abodi yes I won in drum.
Sompa 93.1. I want in do.
say no kanchi go so
Ebu obon say yes ye dware no ye be dware no bi. Ni atete no.
no
Ye
correct
bia se widiem. Ni amadi bia mana no. Very good. Most of the times no ni herbs are poisonous anka. Ye mfa nya edru. Ebi ti say the offense bonto ana tobacco.
ah bonto ya matwi bia ma me say
Very
ahi
good. A bit say weed
ye
and marijuana. Oh, and a baby or what coca plant. And can say conipum. Very good. Sadia no ekura poisonous substance be. I find nicotinic acid and I say nicotine. Sa nicotine no e won hia say was a body pamogem. Cause they are very dangerous. Na say omo de ye duro no, na ye de motor no. Na ye tew na ye de hye weed mu afra moja. Ena ye hunu bi ma wo so na wono mu a afra moja no. Ba moja no take ya you call adrenaline direct. Adrenaline no your pleasure centers. I don't know ma feel good. Eni je bi ba utimi ma wani je. But say wani je nso a twa say drum pempen so bi. Na just say twa say eden e ba down. Na just say we are normal human being. Eno no ye wo hormone bi and a chemical bi wo nervous system no. And the regulating behavior. Your friend dopamine. Sa dopamine no eno be release abra wani age no na a control pressure no. Enti control sa wani je na be misbehave. Okay. Sa de ne ba so a ye say wo another hormone bi your friend adrenaline.
Yeah,
Adrenaline no when the ukura say ni power ho ode ni utumi nyina no adrenaline no and release the mouse a say nicotine no ko mu a one e be raise pleasure center no above normal baby ma woni gie no e be pagya no more than say ne twa say eden e normal no na dopamine na ma create behavior attached to pleasure no and as e gie no no was stopping no it won't mean create behavior be uncontrolled na fe energy level no and no adrenaline na de ma no now adrenaline release more than how it's supposed to release. But what does it? It is a nipa 40 ya. Ubetimi ni wo mako. Sadia. As one say, ancient science was witchcraft and sorcery. And then necromancy. They did everything in secrecy. Nobody tell. It's an animal. Very good. Everybody want poison crack me the frano. What was that? And play. But Mr. Say, several years to come, no, dear Nebesi. Once when Nigeria was 60 years time, who you know. I raise here to the extent where you soon at the present condition. Oh, Benny, no, now I don't know what go. Now man Parkinson's disease. I was also. Now man stroke. Very good. A bit of Fabu yari. The friend says cerebral palsy. I didn't yari. Now the iron, the abreno. Now you start to work as a way, no, a bosom back. The book of pin for no, your man said, room, self protect your colano. Obewa colano, now colano, aqua deformed. Yes, a bosom back. This has happened over the centuries and it is still happening. But you want to say? Because some of these herbs, no, o ma twetwe e de ye no bi de gu ba bi amanfo no no e be wi akire no e drobo o be google no side effect nko akọ up to death e ko up to wo obu aduro na e de mema ho no ye say control akoma na control moja bi na akọ fa sebi be ma ho ndwudwe onsem e de ayeden e de aba
na say you careful be a okoje
e was we have very careful be a okoje aduru enya bibia na etwa say e de aduru so but many people don't know this. And no near person a man for agony and ever so. Sadi Bobo Obanom, but as soon as one so.
Tomo and it would say, Abba, Bema be a no cost of percent Bema,
Very
very
good.
good. Uncle the right place.
Right place.
Yeah, man in Rubia no no man. Yeah, baby as here. After 1 year.
Na aye pasa. So
afena wasane omo man the drone kontu.
The say the etwa wo kura ne say drone so senka wo no mu a onuma mpempre ya na ma result. What's the nipa nwene? Ye na nanum transible baby say kwantia wo hoyi.
Musuo.
Sa short period no ade be ye adwuma magically. But very good. And the be I take sudden change also get because and only a magical change. And now principles so
the side
idea be and now emra kwan so dey ade bi no and the sabi boko and a process and the fast so dey ade. Ade ba ko twase yehu ni. Na yemfa bi bit say garlic. Openi. Si efa garlic a hwade. Obi aka say oh me moja no mo afi e mo abam tina me ka me konum bibi senka enclen fast ma openi ye fa garlic da ben won say garlic apro ama mo afri mu bada
ebeda ho yes go say ebe ye yi nso
the be gan say bia ebe with that
Be twintwam.
brother because e mo akora anye dey empe that we introduce garlic into your system body ni process the boy immune system no why but what does it and until na we use garlic we be say moja no ye thicker na man na ye light because moja ye light no and nko wom and the flow to all areas moja no say mu pia as say impurities ye den emwa wa wom
which ma block
very good
na clotting
very good it was a cholesterol eba wo moja mu a garlic no it me melt no so wo ye hwe bibit say ginger ekwa ginger wo
tie na ma me nom no mo de garlic ni ginger no o mo de season nam no sane ma.
Thank you because and number say kita impurities be after uric acid very dangerous it was some treating nam na no more treating ye and sabra ko amo say nature doesn't give them way so also we use some meat no on daily basis and once in a blue moon in a year. Very good. Asa, but look at the kind of greens they come. When you have folic acid, when you have vitamin C. Wow, asa never when you know a boost immune system. And when you can see grace gifts, so power. Sandy man the idea because you have ginger, only bibi. Open raw material. You boost pepper. Bema ni wusu ajene pa. Ejene na ginger.
Bema ni hunsu ade
me catch ro agene pint mi nse nyinse kurada jene ni ginger
tira se bema
o be yama no mo ana
o de yam na no keke asa
na say ye die
I'm telling you this
o de a check kwa
so yes but what say people don't know you person pia man for adwe den e ba ne
jene na akeka dro
me catch ro plane operi say oti oyi say wo for baby na say wonim na won ne twempra na say wo peso be fa wo be mana nyinse ya twumfiri don't venture di wagro
just say
obenyem
say bia wo
ofa jene no na yi no
any ginger no
na
o blend fry bia because o dey
obenyem oba kro ebo
me catch ro plane me catch ro plane e ade e ho normal sa but how many people know this opening Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services Accra your new Achimota Petroleum opposite Family Life International School Kumasi your Oshim School Junction na member wofa e the number
yenko adubi ho na ontwa no to okura
enti we de me bo no to fa ye senka pani dwarewa ne nsu asan na so de e kan say we num natural we ne de adwuma o Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services enti me sra me do fa wo hwe me anase wo tie me emfa wani hwe ba bia nemom ba bi papa wo benya wapomuden papa ena no Omanhene me ma me pani bia danse a no odi adum mami ne nana se mami wa baba ni nam se na dai wose me osu mami na se mewura mi ni onam se mami adai wose o yare wose obubui na ye stroke na wose for years eno kra wose ye we ye cancer sciatica na no onim sa abra no onti din wose ne to ase pa no onti mi nya hwe ensu nyame adom ne nana nom de ne ko so onko ba bia ne nana ba ko ne baba pani ene ne nana to ne mrade se onko no ba bi wose nanu ni osu wose ana hotel we de ne ebe ye ho wose ye nko hotel de nko duru ho na ese Grace Gift no de ne ko na ye mami keka wose ma mawura me dru ho me de bi ko office o se atwetwe na afidie no twetwe na awie ye no na doctor say ma me yare ni din wo se no onti di da wo se sciatica na no so ne de nyame adom me ma me no da so te ase enti se de Dr. Gabi kan no obi amra na de bi wo ho a wakonom awura o system num chemicals bi edi unya wo ba ni nyina Dr. Grace Bodu obawo ama ni nyina
enti emfa normal no entwa to ye senkro ye se kwadia yemusu hwe ba bia o kwagie aduro short road is rice water kwadia yemusu Cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
Cello
00
tele cello
30
Cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
Cello
00
tele cello
30
Anna Cello 246
0246
518
518
Cello tele
003
Cello 246
0246
518
518
Cello tele
003
the twatwo koraye Cello 244
0244
126
126
12 tele eda atifu nyina ase
Besume damwase Gabi onim de na akona nim
wa bene
de pa
abin fon kwan
one doctor
ade ba ko a eha dwene a ya mentaa men ne se udi na che o ma onwe namda
so nam ye da
obi a me wokoko a mabɔ dwa afa ho yi twim puru oda bɔ ne ade wasema me hena no
era wase mami ene aye chase free yeah some now be back concerning the death of the MC, you know. It's quite unpleasant, but I don't want to talk about it because it cannot be confirmed. But now what to say? I'm for cancer. Much as something was found in his upper leg. I mean, you say buy maybe
Okay, so police investigation.
Mami ko eye awutu senya West. Honorable Paul Rolandedu. Now what to say?
Hey, I'm not the
Yes, you are your pa. But yourself, Pipi Chairman, I'm not going say.
Yeah, you are talking to him. I'm the constituency chairman.
Okay. What now, ma? Nana Dango Kufado ba mon persuaso hona. Ne kasa mu no na wode atu dwa se na bofra Eugene a ofri hono mo dwumaso a wodie ene anigi a ene pressure wode bre no power Jubilee House se oye dey o pampani mi kwan yo mampani mi kwan wo se e kwan we kura a instruct se enye no obatima kasa Eugene ni hu bi pa na moment che bia MPP baby kwan atum so obi be pre a na osre wo mo ase edu ha mo nkai no na se MPP former na kwanya so a awuso senya fo nkai no san se awuso senya West MPP ba bia so a empunti oba ho enti se ne NDC for ewo power utie Professor Ransford Jumper wo se Nana Dangwa Akufo-Addo statement na o kai no enya ne kwa so a because party na se mo bi endorse obi na openly why endorse Eugene to contest as member of parliament candidate no officer enya ne kwa so a wo ya chairman mo kan say
edi kan mi tia etefo ina na am say ma once for example okano well me chairman there na me ye me ndi obi so echi but am say once for example no am say he has mistaken and he say Mr. His Excellency the President oba me persuaso no o ma me hu edi kan no in that's a room say kwan na wo ye no ye NDC fu na eye NDC MP no hono ono no ye oda be to Facebook na di nyina so no no ye kwan no intinu na there was a need say His Excellency the President to me claim obi ego say enye MP ni no ye embom Eugene Ahina minima bom de say why na gin say oboso begina as MP wo ye ne persuaso no ono no no what shit nanado say o meye ekwan no maye moreover no de nyama bebre o ma Eugene ahen no waye e we ni constituency school dan osisi offense library so osisi wo che say nyama bebre nti say ndisi ni bi etwemu say ono na oye kwan na his excellency the president eba so baka sword now obodin say Eugene no no all of you say o meye kwan no mana am say me sure say Danado, why mistake? Say, oh boy, you yeah.
Okay, now just behind the president was the former MP Andam, and next to him, the incumbent MP. Now, officer president Boy Eugene Dina Andam, so mean him say there be obesa baby was shown intention mo be anya so obe contest be no. Wasn't it endorsing the onwani ni panel?
Me sure say we endorsement because the obia na obi ebo na baso wo. It say me as chairman na say ebia my bibi na ebia nanado ebo ma baso a so far obia me fa form so wo me so obia me party office say oba form sa wa contest say oba parliamentary candidate it ni obi o wolba ewan say you job baba so mba me job me minim say anda baba say number me minim Eugene can fin me anda en can fin me obi can fin me
okay
into say obi allo be kwan na yabo ni say we no so no ye no kwan we buy I'm said to go be the glory and endorsement say I dey one ma ba form sin dada in na the board ni bi say o e o si we no ye si dia on na say anampo dey bia o ma form sin omo represent ma me on dey me ma ka say na do e bia why mistake so yes
but say na do dankwa Kufuado ka say Eugene akachire ne say emre no du a oba begina na say MPP for to abama no dia
wakacha na nadu but me don kan kire me
okay
wakacha na nadu but me don kan kire me
na Adam so kan bibi ankyere o
ono ida to communication no wakacha na nadu time so mo wakejina well who knows say ampa me di minim say idea me as chairman no me party office in a may issue form some obi in no offense you do the form one coffee form sinu na on present you know and now put say obi am put in the campaign as a PC no time so na na be ka idea na just say it's an endorsement but say obi am for forms here
it's neither here nor there
yeah
okay
it is a for example okay say na nado wa endorse offense Eugene Ahina I'm saying why mistake aka
he has mistaken
why
all right thank you Paul Roland Edu or say Professor Jampo you have mistakenly mistaken okay Mami and my Honorable Judge upon lawyer judge upon him to say
nyame adom man
bibi aboko
adom nti
ya say Honorable DC former DC in Suta Honorable na to say
yankopa da roma
ekiyoko from Paul
yes sir
bibi aboko
oh adom ni ahweyi nti ye ho ye
ya do ba ya say quickly ma menye we bi mu di o ma woda Kesewa Charity head of call center 21st clinic and there wa woda na page otini ahwe wani mai say no the ate okay happy birthday to you Kesewa Charity Kesewa of 21st clinic head of call center and Priscilla Osei is also a nurse Priscilla Osei you're also a nurse and then so you want to so wow that and you were edini bisu wo honomo Mrs. Intri eya nana ya Intri ni ho kani Mrs. Intri happy birthday to you Bridget onyame nche odin ena akwara ketewa bi nso onu so di na woda Adoma Praise oh pretty happy birthday to you Adoma Praise ena ajwa plaman also so oye tutor we osika mesi ajwa plaman Osika of Osika Ventures. Okay, happy birthday to Osika of Osika Ventures. Mom for Osika Mranza. Go back to Osika. Oh. Are. Osika of Osika Ventures. Today is your birthday. So happy birthday to you, Osika. Then let's go to Ajua Pnamine. Or your tutor. I'm trying to get it right. Ajua Pnamine, Ewo Efia Kubiam Pim, Girls Senior High, and CEO of Pasma Cakes. And Oye Cake, no. CEO of Pasma Cakes. Today is your birthday. This coming from your children and your workers. They say they love you as you celebrate your birthday today. From Adesa and Mami Nyako, their mom, and no Ajua Pnamine, Pasma Cakes. You know, be a cake ni be a DY. And I went to so Kofi Jan, Woboyo Sotoyo, no Ebane Aduma Praise, and your boy Woboyo Sotoyo no, and then Mami Atesika, Omubani Aduma Praise. Then it's Opokwa Jiman. Also, so now your birthday. I think that is done. Enjoy my dinner some free. Honorable, a quick one in command with respect to the NDC getting ready for election 2024. Moyo original yina audios no there. I decided not to play them because some of them are a bit Nana and Tokwani Buffon will be a I mean, you are not there, so you can't authenticate the truth of that matter, you know. But the video and evidence of writing, you know, we can talk about it. What you quickly on it. Now, our main issue will have to do with whether the economy will be stable with Ofuriata being dead, as President has said.
But that's Omanhene. My main chair, what you for?
Join us on Facebook, Sompa 93.1.
I'm in chair.
And YouTube, Sompa.
East for Nyami Adom, Bibia Koso Kama. There's good news for the people of Kwabre.
Hey. Good news?
Yeah. And
hey.
As a darkest year, no, so you the Biba Mount.
Hey.
There's good news.
And then come to powder.
Oh, you see, the Nyami Adom, Yanya contractors, you know, they've come for inspections.
Oh!
Oma Chinese company.
Chinese company, I can bet my last question.
They have come. And Napo Constructions.
Napo.
And Swaba. To Omumi Union for inspection for Kwabre roads, especially Mampontain Town roads.
Yeah!
And yes.
Kwabre.
Hey. Yeah. On my bay inspection every year. We are hoping say
I can
this
go
week
to
or
sleep.
next week, they will come on site and start the work vigorously.
Oh,
and
thank
the
God,
information we have is that they are going to be there for a very long time. And they say, Kwabre, yes, you are best read that. Every time I hear best read commissioning of the rules, the president never back will make sure say, as all one also Ucha Manumbi.
Mama maybe
no question.
Come on,
Juma with the boy, no.
Oh, that's lovely.
I saw about me say, Yami Adonam and Porte Taros here. Nana says, yeah, a boafo. And so, Nana Ada Roma said, oh, yeah, a press conference. President.
Obesa
Fred. Ada president, as say.
Why you crying?
President, the American, and the was say.
Yeah, Kwabre.
And the
Kwabre, more in fear, you saw. Antoine.
Oh, say Antoine ka Kwabre ho. Na wo ye Kwabre kwan nyina no anya Antoine anya hwe. I said the wasa cap man no.
Na wan dwem.
Na ye kwan no de enye pa. Antoine. And this include.
They know they also.
And the hode wan nya dia na zo anya.
Presiding member na kasa no nti.
So far.
Ono abesu ha nti neso kasa dia.
It is na just say.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Na enkomo we there on say politics there said the tie bia no edura prapere a ensem kakra wo na ensem na ewo mu no eno na se koduru brebi na se ohwe ba bi e free ba ene enipa a wo kan asem no no omo history omo abase ne ade a ene ma ne ha adwen kakra so wo hwe NDC omo architecture from national regional to constituency sa tribalism no it is deeply rooted in it. How nobody can defend this indefensible because one, and yes, omo ka tribalism keke. They practice and they do, and I'll give you vivid examples, because na a hard when say these are the people who always talk about tribalism, and they do worse of what they preach, worse of. Show me national architecture, show me region, Ashanti region, or share from Nanakwesi, Abepim all the parties. So when you're Ashanti for we need two. The two no so abenyana so krana, they are all deputies.
Two.
And
Francisca
and they will be all deputies. And they will be all deputies. Asafwaje deputy. Francisca deputy. That is so. And that is typical of them. Trust me, omo election omo be ko sesi ano will be no different. And minimum hwe kura no, minimum when we come to the constituency level, baby ameme wo Kwabri East. Kwabri East we have voting population of about
140,000.
It's more than that. It's 100 and something, little more than 40,000. Almost to about the last election, we have 18,000 or so. Almost, almost, structure of almost leadership. Fatah Elias chairman. No about secretary Sawadogo. No about a first vice. And now we Akana Asantini no. And today, Kufuru Ibrahim who contested him, he is going to lose that seat. Almost one young, dynamic young man be our friend Patrick Opoku, almost tough friend Pato, and that guy, or a Jovia, and in fact, so all about constituency in the MPP for crap and I said, it just a no dear grow that kind of would dear grow Uramu no set agenda one way you know what be a call. Say a nipa Maram Yayana or contested on. He is going to lose that seat. And from chairman to the last, almost one lender be another women's organizer. Or also see another Northerner is contesting. She see a lender Chenimutan will lose that seat. And the lender a Patrick Opoku free more, Pato free more, asa. Because Kufuru contested, Amankwano. Obviously, Amankwa is a goner. Pato is a goner. Linda is going.
So they vote on tribal.
That is so, and that is what they do, and it is so glaring. Almost with impunity, they do without any shame. Trust me. Hey, where in this country, Anna ubeko almost set up onumwa ubenya any, so to say, Santinisa wona bedili di omo. It won't happen. Yeah, we accept them. When you go to anywhere, we accept them. We do everything with them. My appointment, we endorse them. Kwabri East, Adams, Idisa, and I was the presiding member. We endorsed him. Opa me China, mo bidding so on Upper East, Upper West, Northern Region, or the Kofi Asante, or the Yaboache. No kwa MC Mary. Or maybe voter. It won't happen. And that they are watch. But this
why?
Because it is deeply rooted in their history. And then we referee Apia men Kanumana, BMN Sanum, we referee Omo. And also referee said you do of your Amwase and all that. PNDC. No. Have you not read ethnic hegemony? One can be that. Kofi Aweno. One can on books. And that was the strategy with which they came. And it is Echna be better na last time na Zubati say and as and for the ombeto aba ma hwan na it has its rules. Say kane no na wo mu ene de bi register ni it has its rules. The Adea Akye orchestrated at the time. These people have economic powers. Yem for omra fam apia menka pinunum mamonto almost ade kwabrada akonom the gurus and the business mongols within that centers ni nyina bohweten say jedu num no mo wi amase o nyina that time na say jedu transport takrade o mu ko tu ko tana Togo ni ade they messed the people up and no sa history no and na root into it they say the omonka by subtly that is what they practice. They will not say as Kofi Aweno nom chere ni ade head ne hegemony nom ne the accounts and those people nom chere. They won't say it today, but they will practice. So over 12 hours anti-memne say unya 15%, 17%, 20%. Probably you would think say aden. Edientin and there will be ba contest election in their executive na ya manson. Edientin will be ba register also will be registration for membership. Obi asantini. Also me ba register bia. Me dey ya watching ti also register me. How? And no not any problem. Ama more mouthpiece and they say omotwere. And this is on record that it took the intervention of deputy something ebia or no there or have more liberal. And it intervening ma some people got an opportunity to register. Enti Adea we say na I course no. Something that we know already and we are not surprised at it at all. It dates back from the appointment to the national officers, regional officers to constituency officers. And I'm telling you, Kwabri is typical example. They are going to face that same lane in the history. I will come here and tell you the results. We are Santini won't be you free. Pobe bitna, a recent Kusa Banchi. Ubi aso ba yere she emfa ho. E wo mo de no no, wonka ho. And they will let you know say wonka ho. Aba na omo to no so, ombeto am hu say wonka ho. This is what has been happening all these weeks.
But if you listen to the national executive, sir, I'd say this election, Ashanti region is a priority and it's the game
priority
changer.
For a vote, not for position. Don't come there for their positions. It's priority for your vote. They are coming for votes. And they will vote to the omope. But not for you to be in the helm of affairs. It won't happen. They are not here for any nema or ya and nama hoto project or ya and who ya me. I quadrado for. So I be a flag of NDC. That would be something like changing a woman to man. Impossible. But look at the investment he is making in NDC. The Hoto project. Even Yerua Mahama Krana, Obeye vice president for 4 years, Obeye acting president for 6 months, Obeye president for 4 years. And he's not invested in the party like Dofo is doing today. And now Dofo Ba, Omo Mamo canopy, no mama set of chairs, no mama PA system. Party there here. Yes, Obebo canopy, no one crop for engagement. And he has identified that. For every constituency in the country.
He was warned by Sedun Ketia.
Last
week, said, but say party structure. No, almost say ultimate fa wo pen kwachi chesani man. E was say obi hu oba party na the ma party na party mom.
Mache mato na le obi anim se kwarado for eba be contest for abayaship. So this is in effect one of his campaign strategies. Memory resource party na mpese medi anymore. Bone e wo ho ne say. Mato PA system, mato nkonya, mato ye me ba party executive monye monfa mo party adwuma ya kwabrado for adwuma na de boa enti why the warning and trust me why say president Mahama na ya nke be na warning ka hwan na betimi anya boss ama na warning it won't happen but do for no baby ogina na mso wonim na okode one nkroma edi agro say baby ogina no anka say no refi ne ho enfa now the ubohunu voter obenya ale 2008 perceivedly no be any say it was perceived say Yeru Akufo support Alan, right? Alan yes something President Akufo send Canada no Kasant for beka say but Ashanti region did you see the voting pattern? Ajawaju na do na Akufo adu nya about 93%. It tells you these people you are dealing with liberal, open-minded. We don't care who is coming. We take everything on merit. You see Nanado, your power this time when they do so, irrespective of where the father of the people are saying, we near Kwamano. They do justice to every situation. You about a ton of said there, you who say we never boa, we never beat my Jumano. We assess you on competence and merit, not where you are coming from, not tribe. But we are the greatest sufferers of that accusation. Santifo na accuse you na Santifo dead na. But these people, Oba Santimem, Ubenya Mosinzongo, Ubenya Infantine Newtown, Ubenya Angraga, Ubenya Akwetia Lai, Ubenya Hwala, whatever. Dagumba. Oba Hwasi here. Ehwa. Yawo 11 tribes, tribal chiefs in Ehwa Zongo. 11 tribal chiefs. Sesala, Kusase, Dagumba, Upiayo Hena. They all are all accepted. Among baby TBP come. But ye mum are the worst accusers of what they do and what they have written. and what they have practiced all these years. That is NDC for you. NDC, I maybe one man. A man, you run many opportunity at the NDC for some time. A privilege. There are so many people, and can you see, say, these were the people on merit. They could have occupied the position. Enfa. Nana kwesi see and nana kwesi kuraya can as a Ashanti regional chairman. Trust me, this election is going to suffer.
Sure, no, he's Krobo
and Krobo Nidin and Nakwesi Kurano is going to make him suffer. This election going. What the results of everybody this year? Ahomubenya. So we branch. No we branch coordinators. We no mobile constituency. No do a regional market. Nana Kwesi is going to suffer. And what they do, just like they do with impunity, they don't care. And this we are going to see evidence of it today. And no naba appear stadium in some worker, Bobby and San Simon worker. Yes, anti-four woman. They are being suffered. Bobby and Sandy Majuma was thinking, I didn't have Crawford be registered via Namopamo. Appear stadium in Majuma was tick room, I didn't have Crawford be registered via Namopamo. Enti omo and I can warm because said the TBR a mujanu. It is a do no matter what how it is no ebe count to omo na aka warm and omo and ABM and the way a open security in free tete. Ah nye and na sa tribalism in NDC no ebe adwuma. Enti ne no se omo no afa no omo hunu no omo ka and ne omo no omo ada. Ne bi afa no omo abopitira omo sorry.
Mami tia honorable kakra on this.
When you 15 minutes, no one can do this. Who wants them, sir?
Honorable.
And
15 minutes.
Now the time almost. I would 10 minutes, 12 minutes.
Honorable, me and I'm time.
My dean, I'm here no. But a night guy, make a nala presidency or 2 minutes still. Madam for no. But then they were and all kind this year, 70 said we need and this more 70 years. Some man replied,
I meet you.
Right. Oni man this mwasem papa. Oni mwasem pa. Historical fact na say ye dey enye tribalism. Anke ka party omo tribalism dia anke any MPP. Because me dey manya to ntobuase kai. Dr. Kennedy Atakede book no. Was chasing the elephant into the bush. Next time me ba me dey book no be ba mo aka. O see ye president o ho sisi e. Wo catch o no Dr. Kennedy say ehun hia say sebe kraboni anase obi ofri north ebe president. Doctor, that is according to Dr. Kennedy. Yes. Chasing the elephant into the bush. Makai bukun me okope me de ba be kire. Nti ye de enye tribalism. Na ye no de ebiem. Say de wo kan kura no say oka e de etia ne ho. Say aha no anka de so oka no say ndi tifukwa de ebiem. So ye say bi opepe ni you. Wo ye de you. Na say wa santima mu hanko a. Ye beto abade ama. Ye nyiyim. Ma no oka no say se ufiri ha say na okọ ba bia e ho de ye ntoma no. Me nti de o press wo che na se. Ye to aba. Sebe uye zongoni, sebe uye pepeni. Nese ya to aba. Nese uye pepeni, nese asantimam ha se ya to aba ma. Eno na kyerese ye tribalism. Eno se logic ni e follow dia. Eno na kyerese ye tribalism.
Ya sa nipa no ano.
Right. Ma menka bia make nwi. Onso kasa no ma no kwa ma ne kasa.
Me ni di nkomo. Right. Me ni di nkomo.
Na menkyere no historical facts. Ye here ase ye party no. Omo aye omo keka nsem yi. Eye PS stadium ni hwan nyina no. Me ye founding member. No mo nka ho bi. Enti bo obi ntie de PS stadium mo ka. Ontie ye na ye party ni ye tie de ontie de ye ka.
Ebu anma onye founding member so
Omanhene ma me nkasa say de oma me nu kwa ma nkasa ma kwa ma me nkasa pa. Right. Ono me ye founding member. PS stadium ye founding member. Enti say ye ka ye founding members ye ni bra ya bra ansa na NDC ba begina. Me time why tea party no be ye founding member the first meeting I ye holding on suit and amity obi. And I know quite fast so ye the NDC not now. And the free one am quite DC wo mampon. A fair na near here near NDC no year 1996 ye winning elections no. Mampon MCB over here no more friends said that day. Me am decide in too. Obi over be that and most of them they don't understand but a whole organize the be no sir kitwa bi no mo here say kada de ne ka no obusa ne papa say I didn't na muhunu DC na mo ne defeat that day na be ka John say ha no So why you was said that dia untimi ntna ha because utwa mu a na NDC for na say bi omo kokum woye no omo kokum woye no omo kan nsem no mu ne ade na ese so mu ani bre but you know something yeah fair chairman ne fair fajare e wo mampon sabi ye to aba no so ye obi ye pepe ni o so obi ye santini o omo gidi se fajare ne betumi ya ne to man ye hwehwem ye fair chairman suta kwa man ne fair na kofi kokro ya hwese we free ha ye hu se na kofi kokro ne betumi ya to aba ne to man no omo ye pepe fu omo ye santifu regional level ye fair chairman ne fair no se mensa se wo ye pepe ni o so ye santini o ye nyina fi so se mensa ne betumi ya to aba ne to man no ne vice chairman ne fair nti fodwo he doesn't know the history of NDC ye ne enyi yimu na mo yimu me yonko pa no but se be kama man 40 say yeah yeah
politics has nothing to do with your the issues is at stake so we deal with it as
yes.
Yeah,
they don't know ebia na unim so now ebia we propaganda for certain reason there then I must reply you so unim the making and ebia obetna na kasa foforo there see the tribalism the tribalism ebia na unim na me kire omo enti ye ndisi for the tribalism ye de ye gi obi bia babia ufri babia region bia ya ufri ho awe a wo ba ye bia ya to aba so obetumi ya adwuma no nko a ye bebo ye the same thing applies to say edu positions a we MC babia ya ufri babia to the extent to say Asante Achim North until quite recently MC ya no ho sabio no ya hunani but we look at your worth and merit Afin North so no so ye dai why no, nothing. We don't look at that. We look at your what and you show more than my wabo. But there were only a few. Do one way as for. We had do one way as for percentage of MCs na omunye as for no. Ye kwekro omu nu be about 10%. But ye the wait a merit. O more than my obo. About why ye betu you know. Ye be obi more than my obetuo. Obebo any atu abade man.
Okay.
Whether is constituent, whether is the what do you call it? Polling station level, branch level, constituency level, and also the national level, and national level as well. Say uka say dana kwasi no me de adi kamenya krankwanko. Nana kwasi nye ne atu aba manifest. Ye hwe ne modern boy ya obebo e de atu abade man no. Na obo bi din you know ya bi pe em say onu so obo ni din kakra you know me nim ne no opeso kafa ho ya no ye nyina na eto abade man no de obetimi waye and the do see beto aba second time and also want to build no akọ also obeba bi oni body ma e bi obe oye kane no obi behwe ho anu ato ama no obeto ama no uka obi any deputy asem ne ade ya wo kan nya it neither here nor there ye de ehwe obi mode money ato aba ma no ye nya yimu NDC nya yimu enti na ba bia ya obi firi ba ye nhwe ade ahwe ho ato aba de ama no ene ye ma position so a ye nhwe ye pese obu asabi omonya sandefo a omo wo asantimam ha they feel at ease so omo so NDC no mo ka ho no omo bre no mo yiro ho aye adwuma no omo yiro ho aye saa so na sandefo a ye wo mu ye yire ye ho ye adwuma no obi obeyi nanim na me to me nsa frɛ obi a oya okani ba no oya santini wa ha sɛ ye de ye kiu no kura nwa o ye kiu no enwa wo ba di mu asa ne etie bia wo benya ba bi ahye na wanu de si ye nhwe funding funders emma ene ye wo fa so no ma wunya ba bi nhye da edi ye wo bo no ne ade ha me so meka si ye nhwe apia minka ye nhwe president Kufuor ye nhwe hwanhwan enum ne ade omo ye funding members no omo mma no omo nanan mu nwie ya unya ba bi nyina da but ye NDC de me catch them in 24 kankam rante ne mabawa ye de kiu no nwa o wo ba so amodi mo e wo ba ne ye behwe so de ama wo sabia wo ye santinio sabia wo ye pepenio ba bia wo firi ba ye de ye nhwe nti kika ho na bra emo bia nsa wa dwene na wo ba so na ba ho modin ya ye behwe de omo kika de mentie ye ne ye party no ye ti ye founding members ye ne nim ne ye wo mu ye de nim historical facts de obi ka bia anya sa na tie kika ho na bra ebre na du na ye mpia won a ya ene de o maga na adru di adrui Ye momodin. Said ye be ya. Breaking the 8 in Yajuma. No be a what me atono. Right. Enti enya sanity.
Okay.
Yeah, dear. Ye yimu.
NDC right. Going forward, let's look at the issue. My men shall say through her this time.
Oh, be referee or hina jakum kra. Or hina jakum. Second time. Yeah. Or don't know why regional chairman. Regional T4 John one area. Enti tribalism na wa he. Yeah, obi say obi adwene say na we ye atantini na kwa NDC ya yempe mu. And this na why dia. Okay. Why dia obi babu ya man.
Enye ne e kan mo anamo.
Who is there?
Founding fathers. Woman founding father to Kasa, people should listen to him more than appear stadium and Bobby and Samu. That is the bottom line.
Really?
Let's move on. Honorable, if president says say Ghana for Omanhene worried Nakano for Riata will take us out. Now I be paying. What would be your response?
Well, can they party? But where the can say me make can they party and ka ono any party for no? Yeah, president no senate yo na ye president and a cast am can party for no moment and come here see a card the entire ya okasa na nka be de pa na nka ye no na nso nyehwe wabusa men be yi no ye mampani e kasa ye de mpa ye bonu say nyame beboa amba bibia ye because ye nyina kan ye okura wote ha ikure kan
aka obia
eno ma nkoyiye eno ma de nkoyiye na nyankopɔ okura na ye adom say entra so ma obi nye dwende me de mpa ya me bonu so obi ha dwene Sri Lanka de asie eno ne ade ade man ahodo demonstration ya omo ye no me de me mpa ye na me bo me mpe basabasa na oka we yi a onka hwe me de me madwene me say ono ne o ka se obetimi asesa no ma no ene ade no by 2024 micro ka na sa me de me percent kan de ya ne kine ye wo sesa nya 2024 kra na menim ne ntia wo ka 2024 asem because ye tena ho akosi 2024 dia wo mo a kombeku omu na ku omu awie wo mo a ya ohia beku omu na ku omu awie wo mo business aseye a ayo mo dadwene mo da omo na no wo mo a ya mo kɔgye bank bosia ya aye koda na no bebre no mo wu kotimi ye ntema nka ye pa na sesei de ya no oka onamba bi ya oka ena covid ene Russian Ukraine won the gebesa na nka onya eka because oka sa na ehu se adwa untimi nya ho hwe because o se Russian Ukraine wo ko ekun su untimi nkojaye untimi nkonkojaye untimi ma ko nyaye ekon no kura kwa na ekoso nti so se ohaw no efri Russian Ukraine wo dia na wo so betumi adane normal 2024 enu na kun na jaya na ene jaika but the person come man 40 years and say obia me say ma can happen obia obeka say Russian Ukraine war and now say covid enya nsunsan so obia ewo say be economy ene esikasem so obia no na ebia no kure na ompese oka similarly obi a obeka se amane a ya Ghana ye hunu ya ye de eche obi bia de no ye de eche obi bia de no eye Russia Ukraine wo na wonsuro nyame na wo mpese oka nokre ye de eche obi bia de ntia meka se ye de eche obi bia de ne se wo hwe ye public data 393 billion no ya eye 80 that to GPT ratio of 80% no anya ma ye twa ehun hie nyina na eche sa Dr. Bawumia na kai say adentina covid atra amaya no wo say that time no wo say o how ya those days no o mampani mama e ka ho asem no sa o how na atra amaya aka nyina na ye de Ghana hasi na Ghana Russia Ukraine war no e ka obi bia e ka Kenya e ka Togo e ka Côte d'Ivoire nanso so wo musika semenye tete de ye de yeti that to GDP ratio no enje say ye die eno na akofo haw ni nyina aba wo hwemu di a e ka bebrebe na akofo haw ni nyina aba eno na ama say Ghana se wuyi wiase nyina se wuyi kura ye fan say El Salvador efiri hɔ a Ghana the rank is second country higher with the highest debt default according to Bloomberg. Yes, yam hwe yi a nyame ammoa bosia ya bono du si etua kra ntimi ntua eno nti ama international rating agencies miense ni nyina baabi omde ya to na nye ya omo si ye de ne ye junk economy Fitch Standard & Poor Moody's obi bia say ye sika sem nye ya wan hwe na abo ya busia nyame am akora ntimi ntua eno so ye Russian Ukraine war eno so ye covid ya adenti na obi ade ntisa na ye de ne etisa de to so bio wo hwe inflation say no maboa ya ayedin ya Ghana de che say ye hu bibi enye yi a say ye Russian Ukraine war de a adenti na Africa ha so yi Sudan na wo yi Zimbabwe Ghana to so miensa eno maboa ya ayedin ya ye hu bibi enye na cement unim de adu 73 adai na da ben enu 2024 aya won sesa no ma ye de ye bompa ye so sesa no 2024 se ne ne nyina ye wu awie so obetimi aye hu bibiri ya kantempa na sa de o sika de bigiri se enya de obetimi aye
gidie wo kanofori atamu no
na se ne gidie kura wonu mu ana nayi wonu ani nkrofo mia na enya mi o wonu ani MPP fo no kura ni gidie wonu mu nti wo mo so resign anya bie kura no kwadwo mpie ni maka asibe ya boa waka Kwame Pianim waka asibe ya boa aka doctor here they know what take what do we call him
Doctor Amakuba
aka enya me ekoko frempon na me
former deputy secretary Abronye
wo mu nyina aka so amono homoden
Abronye Adubuahin
Obiribuahin yes wo mu nyina aka enti wo mahene me de eno na manigi mu ho aya me ba ye invite me program me ba no kura ya o kenti na manfo so ani gi ho enya me nko na me ka o enya me na me wure nhenu
be a president who near maybe I yeso ye hu no
ayo
because just from 2017 to 2019 the gentleman did magic. He was able to give 7.8% gross domestic product GDP. Over far no 3.1.
3.1.
Ultimately call 7 point by 2019 and I'm 7.8. It is a grow economy.
I don't can say, but we didn't say the fact that they say even before so much in 2016, IMF, World Bank, any internet, what we economic intelligence unit.
Yeah, predicted say Ghana will grow by 8%.
8%. And you know why? In fact, one mampani na nado. Say or person can okre na from his heart of heart. Nya politics ni ye. And no kra no person can do through nyame. Ti say the me ekoko from pom ti we ya. E be dey kra so be ka say we no grow ye. Because that there no already no hwe 2 oil fields. Ya na nyame aboa ye nsaka. Ansa na wo ba no. Eno na ma grow because growth ni nyina no. Na eye oil growth. Enya bibi na be ye. Ni obi modern ma ya wabo e na wo bebet na ho a ya wo de bo ho safo hene. Enti wa anya ne hwe. And again, the boy and say na IMF program na ya ho nti no. The year 2016 not even a penny. And then NDC government headed by Omanhene John Dramani Mama borrowed from the Bank of Ghana. Not even a penny. Sanoma when you prove economic prudence
fiscal space in 2017-18 to borrow.
Yes. Near more can go say. Na saka we bebrebe ya wabogu no sesana na boss aka no gu a obede na nkwanya fiscal space e dey a grow economy no. Enti eno no waka sa enya ne kan no. Nti obi enu ha so waka sa se no
so no for ata na ye magic bia.
Onye huru obi mode ma ya wabo e no no bo no ho safo hene. Na Omanhene na me ka we. Say enye covid yo enye Russian Ukraine war. E na di yaduri. Si epese ye ka no kura. Na nka wo hwe se de Ghana inflation 31. Nigeria ya mpo Boko Haram for how mu say ya mu twon hu ba bi antwe kura 17.78. Togo ebi kura ye single digit. Togo ye 8%. Cote d'Ivoire ye 5.4, Benin ye 2.1, Gambia 11.6. Na say wo hwe we dum nyina na say o say Russia Ukraine war there. Ho de ntokwa no bi nka homo. Covid no bi ansi ho. Na ade ba akokura ye sa mnwanwa ne say. Ye de kura nka wo hwe Covid time. sika yenya almost about $5 billion. And can you say COVID because COVID no was a blessing in disguise. Yenya sika, yes, and can you year. Nanya she no that be na me here could be na American. She no. And the Sanoma win and no can be. Yet praying sika a kaya boy about 45 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, you see this spray. Fumigation.
The discano.
Kwa ye di no kwa school kura ye baby enyambie kura ya no. E ho no she. Ye spray. Na beda na ye hu betumi ato amere yi. Na unim na me the way atwato. So ho awzafo na no me kan na awza ne ga bi na obeso ye de correct me but mesa ka bi na so tie me correct me. Wo mo si bari baka bari ba. Ka bari nsa. Wo si jaja no anya ya ubeja ne basa. Hwe never lost ministries. Ministry for special initiatives. Sika ya yesen ho nya sem ketwa 100 afedi egu se hu hia dia yemfa me mana ntena ho 126 ministers ya breaking Guinness what book of records ebi si wiase da 120 ministries
25
125 am I in 125 to 120 approximately 126
first baby you heard more.
Na she can buy the answer.
The can buy the answer. Okay, honorable. Obi anya 10 minutes, also 10 minutes in my phone.
Say okay, you I say appear stadium kasa amamuntie ye na founding fathers. But say Dr. Mwako Bane yinum kasa dia yintie ni nya president dia no that is the irony of it. And Dr. Mwako my founding member and the omo is just a founding member kwa na kasa party ma yiti ho yate edam wase say mo kanisa na the irony is that president ona Omanhene nyina to aba na omo de ama no na Omanhene de responsibility kese ahye ne nsa se on to niema. Leadership is always by choice. Oye leader ode ne say oye usi ginaye na odo manfo nyina di wachi. Ginaye na ubesi no any results be free ginaye no mu aba no na be kire say oye good leader and oye bad leader. Na era na do na nkwa kufu ado ba abambu mu 2017 to 2020 no. Obeso abranwa no mu no. Oye adwuma in the course of the year. Ena Ghana for Osaba Ghana for nchen adwuma wa ye no sa rating ne Moody's whatever yes omo nyina they at least say eba wo hwe na say order toto ne ma yi a eboa but they are not the end in this the authentic rating institution Ghanaians. It is the most authentic rating institution Ghanaians na ye high near fire and ya high na do danko Akufo-Addo and then aba MPP aban so omo enya adwuma ma Ghana for no owie na adwuma 2017 to 2020 no Ghana for ehwe adwuma oye na so rating no and omo ma na pass so on santo aso ansa na amammo no MPP aban ba be som 2016 no na yabu bi pen yabu from 2008 ni yabu bi pen obi ahu adwuma MPP for ye ene adwuma president kofo na ban be ye ene baabi a wode oman no ekokoduru ye sesi ye a ye ka say ye reku okun pese ye nyini say na adwuma NDC aye 2012 to 2016 ehun ese na ye be boy because oil filter oka ho asem say oil filter na sa tamro mo ja ho ma no in the history of Ghana na oil ni ba bia oil ho ye di bi ba oil kura ye ko discover in the first time president go fourth time founding member said the okay ama benu ado ka kire say e ya adwonwo e parliament it is a more credit to oil filter amuja ye dia and then credit no kan ni se munya bi kura because his excellency John Ejekum Kufo it's that time the adwuma den hwehwe oil ma yenya oil in commercial quantities mo ka kire say adwonwo and then the more credit of the oil field yate yeda mo ase na ɛnsɛ hwee ebire biara yɛbɛka economy asɛm no na NDC for ahyɛ aseɛ set questions na ɔmo sɛ mo bɛka wɔn bɛka sɛ Russia Ukraine war no problem wɔn bɛka sɛ COVID, but they know it is that because but for COVID and all that official amemo nankasa from 2016 coming and yema mienu na betimi asay o man say wa wo hyehyɛ no asay no anase there will be some natural occurrences a betimi amanage won nsɛm a no yɛ ho hwee nyeye, and they know very well say ye hyehyɛ man ni asay no and these for hyehyɛ man ni say no from 2008 to 2016 they know. And at the end of the day, when they were going to IMF, they told us they were going for policy credibility. And that is why they went to IMF. And that time, in fact, the rippling effect of the normal banking sector, time no, savings and loans company limited, savings and loans about 70-something%, 78 or so in a good year without any refund for them. Near what I buy Ghana, I will supervise it. Enti o hyehyɛ man na wa sɛ no yes ɔmo ayɛ bi da ahyehyɛ na sɛ no enti na ɔmo dwen sɛ ebi asa na yɛkɔ at this time, but you be so move from 2017 to 2020 no, we saw the effect of amamu papa at the time anam wɔ abamu no kyerɛ nipa dodo amutimi fa ɔmo abamu under the IMF tutelage and tell us the number of people that we have today in government work, government sector. Compare the wage bill at the time to the wage bill today. Say Ghana for that time no na mo fee say mo bu man ni no. That was the time no obi timi ye adwuma mfie mienu ne amano 3 months pay. It happened in this country. But in our west, worst case scenario, and then what we are saying is the rippling effect of COVID-19 and Russia-Ukraine war, the combined effect of these occurrences and you will be doing and now Adea Akye Abia yeduru and now one person mo beti ase no in even the worst case scenario in our economic crisis no it can age na so 24/7 and then suta oko suta o can come at the time now talk full and the power will residency and then hope you and the banking sector clean up any power musika e share bank mu a na omo livelihood omo fee say sabri abrabo no ko omo ntimi mo bia mu a na ebi sha akonfo ebi ewu ni ade no and na obi answer kan de am obi at least about 98% obi answer timi aka sika wa back to life. You are saying say spray e kurom ha entina ye boss aka bebre so eh nenka yewura ko okun be tena se abepem ne na oba betena Sompa FM aba be kasa ama omanfo ati ama ne nkrofo ati but for so no omo an spray no you take precautions so obi edene ba be ko school no be kasa se ma fam bank schools wa yeye no that is not the norm. Obi betimi akasa ma fam bank school wa yeye, that is fine, but that is not the norm. So obi an spray now enipa na eye anwo no enkyere se eno na na ye de eye ne se wo take precautionary measures abo manfo ho ban say o manfo mu na Ghana fo nkra ekwan be na fa so a the whole of the sub-Saharan Africa emu dodo say at the time omutimi twere wasi, but for good measures that were implemented e man nkra ni timi nya kokodro school twere e my life move on normal as we see today eno ni amamu no eno ne choices no ye mfa say o yo omampani abra betena se na be bossari ne fa ne nam kurom na bon. The point I'm making is that Oforianda Taha has done it before. President a choice and one making decision one making, and he said, "Ne president is telling us that oh ni mujidie say obetimi aye adwuma na." We give the president the benefit of the doubt. At the end of the day, 2024, the good rating agencies that are the Ghanaians are going to rate him by the adwuma awaye, because no NPP leader can win this 2024 election without the works of NPP before the 2024 election. Yes, enti say abano aka say president aka say yenya ni mudidie no betimi aya onim de wahunu ene onim de watimi aya from 2017 to 2020 and now enti president na make that choice now we leave him that benefit of the doubt. Some people may disagree with him, especially even within the MPP, could be disagree with him. That is fine. But leadership is choice and decision making. Into or no,
you can turn the tides now to 2024.
That's from what president knows that I don't have that privy to that information. You know. I cannot dispute what the president is saying. But what I'm very much so. From today to 2024, I believe strongly say things will change.
Let's leave it to posterity, which is ahead of us. And on behalf of the entire crew, I say thank you for the time spent. Now, Yakobia, 1 minute for. I was here for Baby from Siana. Abu Dhabi have bought a suit now. All by now, the full time about the first. Let's hear something from 21st Clinic, and right after that, we kick it. Me did your man, you do Boakye. Me ni mukru ina yeda masi. Echna, Adea Akye Abia to amso.